Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file a motion for child support. First, you'll need to understand your state's specific guidelines and gather all necessary financial documents, like pay stubs and tax returns. Next, carefully complete the required motion forms, ensuring all information is accurate. This initial preparation is crucial for a smooth process. Make sure to double-check everything before moving to the next step. Once your forms are complete, file them with the court clerk in the correct jurisdiction. Be prepared to pay any filing fees, which can vary, or apply for a fee waiver if your financial situation qualifies. After filing, it's essential to properly serve the other parent with a copy of the motion. This ensures they are legally notified and aware of the proceedings, adhering to legal requirements. Before your court date, you might need to attend mandatory mediation or other court-ordered conferences. Use this time to organize all your evidence, including income statements, expense records, and any relevant communication. Preparing your arguments clearly and concisely is vital. Consider consulting with an attorney to ensure you're fully prepared and understand your legal options for the best possible outcome. During the court hearing, present your case and evidence clearly to the judge. They will review all information and issue a child support order, outlining the financial responsibilities of each parent. This order is legally binding, so understanding its terms is crucial. Remember to check the description below for the link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. We hope this guide helps you navigate the process effectively and achieve a fair resolution for your family.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.